Hello and welcome to BABAKAY'S Kitchen. On today's menu we're going to be doing shrimp, salmon, pineapple bowl. For the shrimp today I'm going to be doing a creamy coconut shrimp, and for the salmon I'm going to be doing a sauteed pineapple salmon. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For today's ingredients we're going to be using 1 pineapple, which is already cut up here, the inside is already taken out. 1 onion, half of a red, orange, and green bell pepper, 2 Habanero Peppers, 5 cloves of garlic, half a ginger, 3 spring onions, 2 bags of mixed vegetable, 2 pounds of jumbo shrimp, 2 pounds of salmon, 1 pound of medium shrimp, 4 cups of parboiled rice, a coconut milk, garlic powder, paprika powder, the Knorr Seasoning, onion powder, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and vegetable oil. I'm going to start by seasoning the shrimp and the salmon. I'm going to put a little bit of the green seasoning in each bowl. Like a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of paprika, two teaspoons of the Knorr Seasoning, teaspoon of the onion powder. I'm also going to do the same for the shrimp. I add some soy sauce. Give out 2 tablespoons. Mix them together and let's sit for about 10 minutes. Some of the starch and the moisture. When it's finished, I'm gonna parboil it for about 10 minutes with some soy sauce to give it color. gonna parboil. That's clean enough now. Boil the rice on medium heat. We're gonna add soy sauce for color. So now we're gonna start doing the fried rice. So I'm gonna turn the heat on, put it on medium heat. And I'm gonna put some oil. Gonna let that heat up. And remember folks, the measurement is going to be at the bottom of the video. And now I'm going to put some of the garlic. And ginger. Turn the heat down a little bit. Soy sauce. Knorr Seasoning. Turn it back to medium. Add the mixed vegetable. Add shrimp, medium sized shrimp. Cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Habanero peppers. The green bell pepper. The red bell pepper. And also the orange bell pepper. So we're gonna let this cook for about, let's see, 10 more minutes, and it's gonna be ready. We're gonna add a little bit more of the Knorr seasoning. Depends on you, your taste preference. So always make sure you taste to know when the seasoning is enough. So I'm gonna leave it for about 3 to 5 more minutes, and it'll be ready. Now the rice is ready. The total cook time is 35 minutes. So for the salmon, I'm going to be using a stick of butter, like you see here. And I have the diced up pineapples, garlic, habanero peppers for heat, and onions. So I'm going to start the sauteed process. Heat the butter up first. Got that with medium heat, so we're gonna put the garlic in first. A bit of the habanero peppers. Onion. And the pineapples. Chipotle. So I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika for color and also for heat. A little bit of the Knorr seasoning. A little bit of the spring onion. And now we're going to start putting in the salmon. So we're gonna cook the salmon front side down first for 5 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. And after that, it's gonna be ready. And half a lemon. now we're gonna turn the other side. So the salmon is ready. Cook time for the salmon is about 15 minutes. So now we're gonna do the coconut shrimp. Put a stick of butter. Medium heat. So now I'm gonna put the garlic. Habanero. Onion. The shrimp. Now for the coconut milk. I'll put a little bit of Knorr Seasoning. Squeeze a little bit of lemon in. And we're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. Cook time. So the shrimp is ready. Cook time for the shrimp is 10 minutes. And this is the finished dish. Creamy coconut shrimp, sauteed pineapple salmon, pineapple bowl. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.